Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming your Windows 11 build and making a quick backup. Once done, create a system restore point or export the registry so you can undo changes. Next, open Settings, go to Personalization, then Taskbar to access built-in options. If you don't see advanced options, you'll use Registry Editor, so keep it open and run as administrator. These initial steps protect your system and put you directly into the panels you need to modify immediately. You'll now change the setting that controls taskbar size. First, open Registry Editor and navigate to the advanced key shown on screen. Once there, create or edit the word named Taskbar C and set it to 0 for small icons, 1 for default, or 2 for large. This numeric approach is precise and reversible. After saving, restart Windows Explorer or sign out to force the change. Make sure to double-check the key path and value to avoid accidental edits elsewhere in the registry. Finish by previewing and fine-tuning. You can restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager to see changes immediately. That's faster than a full reboot. If icons look wrong or overlap, clear the icon and thumbnail cache by deleting icon cache. DB and restarting Explorer, then check taskbar alignment. If anything goes wrong, revert the registry value to 1 or delete taskbar C entirely and restore your backup or system restore point. These final steps ensure a clean, small taskbar while keeping a safe rollback plan.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.